So for the next 1 month, I am set to make up to 20 investors, and I am set to make sure that their real estate portfolios and their investments bring yields return in the next 1 month. Hello guys, my name is Joshua Woga and I'm from Josh Consults, and we have an amazing property right here in the city of Enugu. So today I am at Owo, which is one of the fastest developing area right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So we have this amazing property called Castleview Estate. Now, here are the benefits of buying Castleview Estate. Castleview Estate is just 5 minutes drive away from the major third road, and it is along the Owo-Ubahu Express Road. So this is the road that will link to North Central. So they are currently constructing this particular road. If you are coming from Ebonyi, if you are coming from Enugu, instead of you taking Abakpa, you will now have to start taking this road down to Nsukka or down to Abuja or down to the North Central. Now this particular project is just 20 minutes drive away from the Enugu city center. So it's just 20 minutes drive away from the Enugu city center, and it is surrounded by a lot of amazing estates. Now this is Seaman Paradise Estate, close to Castleview Estate, and over there is Castleview Estate. So it's just like 2 minutes walk away from the major third road. Now this property is surrounded by Capstone University. It's surrounded by very close to the governor's house, which is His Excellency Dr. Peter Mba. Very close to the Enugu Smart City. Very close also to the Owo International Market, and a lot of amazing features that are in this particular location. You all know what Peter Mba has been doing in Owo, which is his current, which is his hometown. He has been doing a lot of works here, and this is an opportunity for you as a smart investor to key into this development, because properties here will skyrocket in no distant time. So this is an opportunity for you to make a huge return on investment. This property is selling for 4 million naira, of which the actual price is 6 million naira. Now imagine yourself making extra 2 million naira just in 1 month. So that is why I'm bringing you this opportunity, so you can buy this property now and enjoy the return on investment in just 1 month. Now this property comes with a deed of assignment, a registered survey plan, and a power of attorney, and it is measuring 500 square meters. So all you have to do today is to call Josh Consults today. The sweet thing again is that we have a flexible payment plan for whosoever that wants to buy this property. So with an initial deposit of 1 million naira, you can key into owning a piece of earth in this property. So all you have to do today is to call Josh Consults today for inspection and booking. Thank you very much.